The next important chapter, that is continuity. Continuity is an extension of limit. Using limit, we are going to find out whether the given function is continuous or not. If limit extends to a minus f of x is equals to limit extends to a plus f of x, if it is equal to f of a, then f of x is continuous at x is equals to a. That is, if the limit extends to a minus म्हणजे काय? Such that x is less than a. If it is equal to limit extends to a plus such that x is greater than a. If it is equal to f of a, then f of x is continuous at x is equals to a. Or otherwise, if limit extends to a f of x is equals to f of a, then it is continuous. मग आता हे कधी हे वापरायचं कधी हे वापरायचं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन तुम्हाला डोमेन काय दिलेला आहे. You will use this when x is not equal to a and x is equals to a अशा दोन वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज दिल्या. You will use this when they have given you a separate function for x is less than a, separate function for x is greater than a, and x is equals to a. Then you will use this. If they are, in this case, if all three are equal only, then it is continuous. याच्यातला कोणता तरी दोन जरी इक्वल नसेल तरी फंक्शन कंटिन्युअस नाही. इकडे तर दोनच आहेत टर्म्स, त्याच्यामुळे काही प्रश्न नाही. जेव्हा फंक्शन कंटिन्युअस नसतात तेव्हा त्याला आपण म्हणतो फंक्शन इज discontinuous at x is equals to a. Discontinuity is of two types basically, removable and irremovable. पण तुम्हाला तो सगळा प्रकार नाहीये, तुम्हाला फक्त फंक्शन कंटिन्युअस आहे का नाही एवढं शोधून काढायचं असतं. Let us take an example here. Suppose they have given f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 1 when x is not equal to 0. And if it is 3 when x is equals to 0. In such case, we will use limit extends to 0 f of x. If it is equal to f of 3, then the function will be continuous. Otherwise, function will not be continuous. अजून एक टाइप असा येतो जेव्हा ते म्हणतात की f of x is equals to x when x is less than 1. It is equal to 2x when x is equals to 1. And it is equal to 2x minus 1 when x is greater than 1. So here I will say limit extends to 1 minus, because here x is always less than 1. This f of x should be equal to limit extends to 1 plus this case, and should be equal to f of 1. तुमचं डोमेन कसं दिलंय त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड करेल की आपण हे वाला वापरणार आहोत का आपण हे वापरणार. ओके, yes, you can write down this. 8.1 will start from question number 2. हम लोग बेसिक कंटिन्यूटी कैसे निकालते वो देख लेंगे, फिर हम लोग क्वेश्चन 1 सॉल्व करेंगे. Examine whether the function is continuous at points indicated against them. First, second question, the first. F of x is given as x cube minus 2x plus 1 for x is less than equal to 2, and f of x is 3x minus 2 for x is greater than 2. You have to examine continuity at x is equals to 2. Now see, we have a different function when x is less than 2, when x is greater than 2, and when x is equal to 2. Now the given function f of x will be continuous at x is equals to 2 if limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. It is equal to f of 2. Now limit x tends to 2 minus f of x म्हणजे काय? X should be less than 2. X is less than 2 only in this, so I will use this function. X cube minus 2x plus 1 is equals to limit f of x tends to 2 plus f of x. F of x, x is greater than 2. That's a function at 3x minus 2. It has to be f of 2. So here, if I want to evaluate this, and if I put x is equals to 2 in the first case, I want to evaluate limit x tends to 2 minus x cube minus 2x plus 1. And I want to evaluate this, I will put x is equals to 2. Anything is becoming 0? No. Denominator is not becoming 0. So 2 cube, that is 8, minus 2 into 2, 4, plus 1. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 1, your answer is 5. Then next, limit x tends to 2 plus. What is your function? 3x minus 2. (3x minus 2). Now if I put x is equals to 2, denominator is not becoming 0. 3 into 2 minus 2. 6 minus 2, your answer is 4. हे दोनच match होत नाही आहेत. So as limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, f of x is discontinuous at x is equals to 2. Second sum is limit f of x is equals to x square plus 18x minus 19 upon x minus 1 for x is not equal to 1. And it is 20 for x is equals to 1 at x equal to 1. Now see, here they have given you the function as f of x is x square plus 18x minus 19 upon x minus 1 for x is not equal to 1. And it is 20 when x is equals to 1. You have to check the continuity at x is equals to 1. Now see, here they have only given you two domain. When x is not equal to 1 and when x is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 1 f of x equal to limit f of 1. If this is satisfied, if this is true, then f of x is continuous at x is equals to 1. So if I have to take limit x tends to 1, मग आता इकडे f of x काय घेणार? Limit x tends to 1 चा अर्थ काय? X is approaching 1 from either side, but x is not equal to 1. X is not equal to 1, so this is my function. X square plus 18x minus 19 upon x minus 1. Yes. So if we put x is equals to 1, it is 1 square plus 18 into 1 minus 19 upon, if I put x is equals to 1, my denominator will become 0. I can't evaluate it like this now. What should I do? I should try to factorize this. पण आता याचे तर फॅक्टर्स येणारच नाही कारण इथं 19 आहे. Either I should factorize this. What are the factors of x square plus 18x minus 19? (19) is a prime number, but still prime number always have two factors, one and the number itself. So limit x tends to 1. This will be x minus 1, x plus 19 upon x minus 1. Yes, x square plus 19 x square minus x minus 19 plus x plus 19x. So we will get this x minus 1 will get cancelled. If I put x is equals to 1, I will get 1 plus 19, that is 20. So therefore limit x tends to 1, f of x is 20. Now let us find out f of 1. F of 1 means when x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, your f of x is 20. So can I say that limit x tends to 1 f of x is equals to f of 1? Yes. This is continuous. The function is continuous at x is equals to 1. अब पहले वाला सम और ये वाला सम थोड़ा सा अलग है. Because in the previous sum, the domain was x is less than 2, x is equal to 2 and x is greater than 2. ये दोनों को उन्होंने मिक्स कर दिया था पहले सम में. अभी के सम में x is not equal to 1 और x is equals to 1 इतना ही है. Are we getting this? इसलिए यहाँ पे ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कंडीशन था इसलिए कंटिन्यूअस आया. कंटिन्यूअस तो वो अपने आप ही आ सकता है या नहीं आ सकता है, लेकिन कौन सा फॉर्मूला कब यूज करना है वो इनसे पता चल जाता है. Test the question number 3 first. Test the continuity at the points indicated against them. First sum is f of x is given as under root x minus 1 minus x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 whole thing upon x minus 2 for x is not equal to 2 and it is 1 by 5 for x is equals to 2. You have to check it at x is equals to 2. I mean, we have to find out whether the function is continuous at x is equals to 2. Domain कैसा दिया है? X is not equal to 2, x is equals to 2. x is equals to 2 की तो वैल्यू ऑलरेडी दे दी है. So if limit extends to 2 f of x, if it is equal to f of 2, then the function is continuous. Otherwise it is not. So limit extends to 2 under root x minus 1 minus cube root of x minus 1 काहीतरी प्लस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये नाही whole thing upon x minus 2 if it is equal to f of 2 is 1 by 5. So if it is equal to 1 by 5, then your answer is continuous. Otherwise it is not. Okay. Chalo. So how will this be continuous if this is equal to f of 2? F of 2 manje काय 1 by 5. So the answer of this limit has to be 1 by 5. How to find out the answer for the limit? Limit extends to 2. 1 minus x minus cube root of 1 minus x का x minus 1 है. X minus 1 whole thing upon x minus 2. If I put x is equals to 2, my denominator will get 0. So I can't do that. Now what is the option left with me? I will have to rationalize this. X minus 1 plus cube root of x minus 1 . Now see, when it is cube root and if we try to square it, we won't get the answer. आपल्याला जर समजा क्यूब रूट ला स्क्वेअर बिअर करायला गेलो ना तर आपल्याला याचा आन्सर बिलकुल मिळत नाही. तर मी काय म्हणेन इकडे लेट x minus 1 be y. So what is x? Y plus 1. If x tends to 2, y will tend towards 1. Can we say this? आपण असं सम्स केलेले याच्या आधी लिमिट्स मध्ये. So this can be written as limit y tends to 1, y raised to 1 by 2 minus y raised to 1 by 3 upon x is y plus 1, y plus 1 minus 2. So limit y tends to 1, y raised to 1 by 2 minus y raised to 1 by 3 upon y minus 1. I can use here plus 1 minus 1. Limit y tends to 1, y raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 minus y raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 whole thing upon y minus 1. Limit y tends to 1, y raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 raised to 1 by 2 upon y minus 1 minus limit y tends to 1, y raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 upon y minus 1. This is x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. This will be 1 by 2, 1 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 3, y raised y तर नाही येणार 1 येईल 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. This is 1 by 2, y raised to minus 1 by 2, y नहीं 1, 1 raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 raised to minus 2 by 3. One raised to anything is 1. So our answer will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That is 3 minus 2 upon 6. That is 1 by 6. So apparently, limit extends to 2, f of x is 1 by 6, which is not equal to f of 2. And therefore, function is discontinuous. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्यूब रूट था. क्यूब रूट को रैशनलाइज करने भी जाते हैं तो भी वो रैशनलाइज होता नहीं है. यस, हम लोग अगर क्यूब रूट को रैशनलाइज करने भी गए तो भी ये रैशनलाइज होगा नहीं, क्योंकि क्यूब रूट का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो 2/3 हो जाता है. स्क्वायर रूट का स्क्वायर करते तो वो रैशनलाइज हो जाता है, लेकिन क्यूब रूट का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो रेज टू 3/2 2/3 हो जाता है. गेटिंग दिस? और ये मेथड हम लोगों ने की है पहले लिमिट्स में, because here it was cube root, x minus 1 was common, so x minus 1 is y, x is y plus 1. When x tends to 2, y tends to 1. X minus 1 is y cube, square root is, therefore it is raised to 1 by 2. This is y raised to 1 by 3, and we can still write down the answer. हम लोगों ने इधर +1 -1 इसलिए लिया ताकि हम लोग उसे x raised to n minus a raised to n के फॉर्म में लेके आए. Next sum is f of x is x cube minus 8 upon under root x plus 2 minus under root 3x minus 2 for x is not equal to 2. So f of x is x cube minus 8 upon under root x plus 2 minus under root 3x minus 2 for x is not equal to 2, and it is minus 24 for x is equals to 2. अगर इसका कंटिन्यूटी चेक करना है तो लिमिट x tends to 2 f of x should be equal to f of 2. That is, limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 whole thing upon under root x plus 2 minus under root 3x minus 2 should be equal to minus 24. अगर ये इक्वल हो गया तो ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है, otherwise the function is not continuous. So we will try to find out this. We will try to evaluate this. Limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 upon x plus 2 minus under root 3x minus 2. So it is x plus 2 plus under root 3x minus 2. Whole thing x plus 2 plus under root 3x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 x plus 2. I am rationalizing this because this is irrational. Plus 3x minus 2. Whole thing a minus b, a plus b. So it is x plus 2 minus 3x minus 2. हे अंडर रूट असेल तर रॅशनलायझेशन वर्क करतं, नाहीतर नाही. Limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 can be written as x minus 2 x square plus 4x plus 4 a cube minus b cube x plus 2 plus under root 3x minus 2 whole thing upon x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2.
मैम 2x plus 4 आना चाहिए, आपने 4x plus 4 लिखा है.
So limit x tends to 2, x minus 2, x square plus 4x plus 4, x plus 2 plus under root 3x minus 2, whole thing upon
Ma'am, 2x plus 4.
sorry
मैम वो फॉर्मूला है ना ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब का, उसमें 2x प्लस 4 आना चाहिए, आपने 4x प्लस 4 लिखा है।
हाँ सॉरी सर। तो ये आ जाएगा -2x plus 4. So I will take -2 common. I will get x minus 2. This and this will get cancelled. Now if I put x is equals to 2, ये क्या हो जाएगा? X plus 2 minus 3x plus 2 will become minus 4x plus 2. I've taken -2 common. I've got x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 cancel. Now we can find out. Now if I put x is equals to 2 here, तो मला काय मिळेल? x square plus 2x plus 4 under root x plus 2 plus under root 3x minus 2 whole thing upon minus 2. Now if I put x is equals to 2, 2 square is 4 plus 4 plus 4 root 4 2 plus 6 minus 2 root 4 2 whole thing upon minus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 upon minus 2 into 4 minus 6 into 4. Your answer is minus 24. Is it equal to minus 24? Yes, and therefore the function is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. ये कंटिन्यूटी की कंसेप्ट थोड़ी ज्यादा समझ में आए इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ, ये हमको है नहीं लेकिन फिर भी। सपोज मैं एक ग्राफ निकाल रही हूँ, फंक्शन दिया है सपोज, and my function is x plus 1, and if I am trying to draw the graph, now all the values of x are shown on x axis and all the values of y are shown on y axis. F of x means y, so y is x plus 1. So if x is 0, y is 1. If x is 1, y is 2. If x is 2, y is 3, and this will go on. Okay. Now if I join all these points, I get a continuous curve. Okay. So when the curve is continuous at this particular point, it has come from here, it is going beyond this. So at this point, the function is continuous. अगर किसी वजह से एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस नहीं हुआ, यहां से यहां तक रुक गया और फिर ये पॉइंट यहां से आगे शुरू हो गया, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इस पॉइंट पे ब्रेक हो गया है, तो ये क्या हो गया? डिसकंटिन्यूअस. गेटिंग दिस? ओके, दिस इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. तो जब ये इक्वल नहीं होता है तो ये ब्रेक हो जाता है लाइन, इसलिए वो डिसकंटिन्यूअस है. लेकिन जब ये इक्वल होता है तो ये कंटिन्यूअस है. आर वी गेटिंग दिस? आता हे तुम्हाला असं काही खरंच काही डायग्राम वगैरे कधीही काढायचं नसतात. जस्ट टू मेक थिंग्स क्लिअर आय हॅव ड्रॉन अ डायग्राम.